one dive.
All 6 robots moving. HighTide and SuperNURDs placing L4 Coral. AtomStorm and Crescent Coyotes also placing L4 on the other side of the field. SuperNURDs coming back up with another Coral. It falls off, landing in L1. And Overclocked making an L4 Coral placement at the very end of Autonomous. Scored 30-26. Alliance 8 in a slight lead on the blue side of the field. Crescent Coyotes lining up for an L4 Coral placement. SuperNURDs putting an algae up in the net, it falls out. HighTide trying to do the same. Theirs gets in. Back on the blue side, 610 lining up for an L4 Coral placement once again. Same with AtomStorm. 610 gets it. AtomStorm almost gone, and it gets on. Overclocked getting an algae, putting it in the blue net swiftly and smoothly. HighTide placing L4 Coral after L4 Coral. Picking it up from the ground. We have the SuperNURDs getting ready to launch an algae up into their net. A minute and 30 seconds has passed, and Alliance 8 has a 6-point lead on Alliance 1. Colorful Panda is stuck on top of an algae on the blue side of the field while trying to do defense. Overclocked grabbing more algae off of the reef, cleaning it up. On the red side, HighTide grabbing Coral from the ground, placing it on the 3rd level. SuperNURDs dropping an algae while trying to put it in the net. They now have another Coral placing on L3. Alliance 1 is now in the lead by only 4 points. 103 to 91 with a minute remaining. 67-66 grabbing a Coral and putting it on the 3rd level of their reef. Colorful Panda still stuck on top of an algae on the opposite side of the field. We'll see if they ever end up getting back to the red side. HighTide and SuperNURDs putting L3 Coral. SuperNURDs falls off, HighTide takes it. Overclocked putting an L3 Coral on the blue reef. AtomStorm grabbing a Coral. 610 L3 Coral for the Blue Alliance. 30 seconds remaining. Scores are only 4 points apart for Alliance 1 versus Alliance 8. Alliance 1 has a slight lead. Another algae missing from the SuperNURDs. AtomStorm taking for the Coral wall. Overclocked placing an L2 Coral. HighTide placing an L3 Coral. 20 seconds to go. It may be time to climb. SuperNURDs now going through a deep cage. Will they get up? They have 15 seconds to go. Alliance 8 is in the lead by 5 points. HighTide placing 10 seconds to go. SuperNURDs up out of the air.